astrology, like, just use it to your advantage. And just like in reality, and just like everything we've been talking about, which is you are always right, and you get to assign the meaning for everything. And the universe always says yes. Always says yes. Every single time says yes to every single solitary thing you think, believe, assume. The universe says yes. So, what's the call? Well, you have to be alert as to what you're putting into the universe, what you're putting and you know, projecting into your reality. Because if the universe always says yes, that means the universe always says yes to the doubts, to the fears, to the confusion, to the the challenge. Looking at things as a challenge. So whatever your perspective is on something, it's going to say yes. And it's going to show you more of that. It's going to prove you right. Every single time, it will prove you right. So, the game, what we're working on in here, is just ensuring that we're giving a meaning that serves us to everything. Okay. Which ultimately, is just that everything moves in my favor. Reality's rigged in my favor. Everything moves in my favor. Everything is unfolding perfectly in my favor for me. What I say goes. So, what I say is going to serve my ultimate reality, my ultimate version. I'm not waiting around for anything. I'm just claiming it. I'm deciding. I'm choosing. And all day long, what are we doing? We're just deciding and choosing. And we're taking anything that is being shown to us that we're perceiving as something negative, opposite, struggle, challenge, block. Nope. This is just all part of the perfect unfolding. Everything's perfect. Everything's moving in my favor. This is just proof that it's all unfolding in my favor. And we're not getting tripped up about any of it. We're not even using the word triggered anymore, because that word is like the most annoying to me. Nothing fucking triggered, really? Aren't we over that? I'm not being triggered by fucking anything. No, I might see something that isn't my preference. So what am I going to do about it? I'm just going to decide what it means to me, for me, revise it, totally flip it on its head and give it a completely new reality that serves me in my mind, because that's all that matters, whether somebody else were to think it was delusional or not. Because again, delusion is what? Delusion's an opinion. Walking around and locking into fears, locking into somebody else, something else being an authority over you, that's fucking delusional. That's what's fake. So we're just, here's the thing. It's all an algorithm. And whatever you focus on, you're just going to see more of, period. It's really that simple. So in here, and part of the daily practice of that 0 point, I am the source, is just being very conscious of where my awareness is. What am I focused on? What am I thinking about? What am I thinking? What am I thinking something means? What meaning am I giving anything that's going on? And every moment, because again, the 0 point is from this moment. That's the only thing that exists, is this moment. Past doesn't exist, future doesn't exist. In this moment, I create a new, any possibility of future timeline. So in every moment, I'm just creating The choose your own adventure. I'm choosing how things are going to play out from this moment. So the 0 point, this moment, I can just keep creating the new reality, this moment, this moment, this moment that serves me. Doesn't matter if you got triggered 5 minutes ago. Right now, that's over. That's done. It doesn't matter anymore. That timeline exists. That unfolding exists. But I've just decided, no, that's not the unfolding I'm interested in. So I'm here now. I'm here now. And I decide from right now, I'm operating, I'm the source. I'm all that is. Everything is a reflection of what's going on within me and in my mind. So, moment to moment, I'm just going to decide, nope, it's this way. Nope, it's this way. Nope, just a blemish, a blemish on the face. Nope, my skin is absolutely flawless perfection. Nope, I don't care. I don't care what I see or think I see. I decide what I see and I stick to that. And I don't get tripped up by what the reflection is showing me, because it's just a hologram and the reflection is only showing me a very small percentage of what actually is. So I'm going to believe this small little fraction of what is being shown to me and what I'm perceiving when so much else is going on. Because guess what? Everything else for me in my favor is happening behind the scenes. Maybe I can't see with my eyes yet, but I'm not going to be concerned with that, because I know what is true, which is I am my ultimate version. I am living in my desired reality right now. My desires are mine. It's already done. I declared it. Universe said yes. So now I'm source. So I'm just relaxed about it. And it all unfolds perfectly from within me. And I just hold the pose no matter what I see. So, even though, again, that's not like written out in our booklet, that is very much 100 million % part of our daily practice in here, 40 days forever. Like this is life. This is the life practice, because we are the ones writing the code of our reality. We are the ones in charge of the we're running the simulation. We're running our own simulation. So be in charge of that. Be the source of it. And again, just source just says it and it's done, and you can just and is relaxed about it, because you trust, that that's how it's going to go, because that's law.